Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to start an LLC in Oklahoma in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, you're in exactly the right place. Because here's the reality. Oklahoma makes LLC formation look simple, but small mistakes here can slow you down fast, especially if this is your first business. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the actual step-by-step process to get your Oklahoma LLC formed correctly, without wasting weeks, refiling paperwork, or paying someone later to fix avoidable mistakes. So let's get straight into it. Here's the thing, you really only have two options. Option 1, you try to handle everything yourself. You navigate the Oklahoma Secretary of State website, check name availability, file your articles of organization, research registered agent requirements, apply for your EIN, figure out state taxes, and basically hope you didn't miss something that causes delays. Option 2, you let professionals handle the entire setup correctly while you focus on actually building your business instead of fighting with paperwork. Now let me be honest, I tried the DIY route once in Oklahoma. Big mistake. Between understanding Oklahoma's specific LLC requirements, the $100 filing fee, finding a registered agent with a physical Oklahoma address, registering for state taxes, and spending countless hours bouncing between government websites that don't explain things clearly, I wasted almost 3 full months. And in the end, I still had to pay someone to clean up mistakes I didn't even realize I'd made. So yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start an Oklahoma LLC the right way. First, your business name. Always have a primary name and a backup ready, because Oklahoma has specific naming rules and availability changes quickly. Second, a registered agent with a physical street address in Oklahoma. This is required. This person or service receives legal documents and official state notices for your LLC. Third, file your articles of organization with the Oklahoma Secretary of State. This is the legal document that officially creates your LLC. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. You'll need this to open a business bank account, hire employees, and handle taxes. Fifth, register for any Oklahoma state taxes or business licenses that apply to your industry. This is where many first-time founders miss a step. And sixth, open a business bank account so your personal and business finances stay separate and protected. Now, on paper, that sounds simple, but Oklahoma has its own quirks. The state requires annual certificates, has specific registered agent rules, and processing times can vary depending on how accurately your filing is completed. One small mistake, even a typo, can delay approval or trigger follow-up notices that slow everything down. That's exactly why I recommend Taylor Brands. They handle everything for you. Oklahoma Registered Agent State, filing EIN operating agreement, help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they understand Oklahoma's specific requirements and make sure everything is done right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Oklahoma's state filing fees. That's literally the same cost as doing it yourself, but without the stress, confusion, or risk of mistakes. So stop wasting time on paperwork. Use the link in the description, get your Oklahoma LLC formed properly, and start building your business today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more real business advice, and I'll see you in the next video.